This will be documentary entry in an attempt to understand why I'm getting documents that I can't fill out, and I'm being instructed that if I can't fill them out, then I can't see my children. And I'm being instructed by another company to pay an invoice or I can't see my kids. I'm being blocked legal counsel, even though I'm a client of MDS for years. So the documentary is going to continue as I call this intake of echelonservices.org and find out what is going on here. Why won't anyone help me fill these things out and return them? Why am I being instructed? Who are they? Why are they court ordered? There's a lot of questions here, and that's why, without being provided any type of legal counsel, I'm being instructed to do things I can't do, or there's consequences, is why I'm documenting it. Because what I'm saying, this is against the Americans with Disability Act, it's against the Traumatic Brain Injury Act, it's against parenting rights, disability rights. I mean, the list goes on how the fact that I'm being instructed by others with a traumatic brain injury to do things that I simply cannot do, or there's consequences. It's a form of psychological violence from what I understand. And it's been going on for years as a client of MDS. So this phone call will be to just find out what's going on. And I suppose I should probably take off my earpiece so that we have the speakerphone. Shit. That's why the one-handed crap is so difficult. But that's why it's important that I document myself daily, because it has been so horrible, just so absolutely horrible. Take the Bluetooth off, so I can put it on speaker and give them a call. Find out what exactly they are, what they're doing. Why am I being instructed to do things I can't medically do? And I've emailed again and again and again, copied the emails, but it's the same. Do this or else, knowing I can't do it. Oops, I think I dialed the fax. Let's try again. And they were in Arizona, so why am I calling Arizona? How about seeing my son? He's supposed to be with me today. And this is all based on unlawful court rulings because I've had no attorney.
Thank you for calling Echelon Services. We cannot take your call at this time. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message, and someone will get back with you as soon as possible. If you're calling about services, please also leave a complete email address and the service you're inquiring about, and someone will send you information about that service. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Adam LeCompte, and I received this package in the mail. I've been exchanging email about how I cannot fill out paperwork on my own. I'm a client of Monadnock Developmental Services, and for whatever reason, I've been given no administrative assistance or transportation assistance since my injury. It's all been documented well, but the communication was, I don't understand why I'm being told in email that I have to fill out this documentation and return it, or I can't see my son, when I've communicated that I cannot do paperwork with one hand, and I can't do administrative things because I won't remember. So I'm calling to find out exactly what's going on. My cell phone to call back is 603-680-5199. If you could give me a call back with an explanation, because I've got the money to pay an invoice, but it's to a different company, which doesn't make sense. So that's where an inquiry is required. I know legal counsel is required, and this appears to be a violation of my disability rights with the ADA, the TBI Act, as well as parenting rights. But these are the things that are meant to be discussed with legal counsel, and my request for legal counsel since my injury have been blocked as a client of MDS. Those are things that are separate, but they still are required for documentation during our interaction when you call back. I look forward to talking to somebody and getting some answers. Thank you. We'll call the next one.